Getting bit by a dog is scary, and it's not just the injury. Pain, stress, missed work, medical bills, it adds up fast. Now let's talk about what to do if this happens, because the steps you take right after the bite can make a huge difference in your case. Here's what I tell all my clients. First, call the police. Get the incident documented. Second, get names and contact information of any witnesses. Then get medical attention as soon as you can. Take photos of the dog and your injuries, whether it's bites, scratches, or scars. And don't talk to the dog's owner or their insurance company. Let your lawyer handle that.